Hi, so we are going to talk about how to add and subtract using Microsoft Excel. When you are adding, there are three methods that you can use to add. But the first thing that I'm going to tell you is that whenever you are writing a formula on Microsoft Excel, your formula should start with an equal sign. So the first method that you can use to add in Microsoft Excel, the first thing that you do is to write equals, right? Then you write the first amount. We are adding these numbers, uh, Tino's marks in science, maths, history, and commerce. You write the equal sign, then you write plus, then you write 75, then you write plus 54, then you write plus 64 like this. That is one method of adding. The other method that you can use to add is you write equal, you write your equal sign, then you write sum being the formula for adding. Then you open brackets. You can see that Microsoft Excel predicts for you like this. After opening brackets, you select the first number that you want to add. Then you type in a colon. Then select the last number that you want to add. You can see that all the numbers that you want to add will be selected after doing that. Then you press enter. And the other method that you can use to add is you type in equals, then you select the first number like this without typing but selecting using the mouse. Then you type plus, then you select this one using the mouse, then you type in plus, then you select this one, then you type in plus, then you select this one, then you press enter like this. So the first method we said you type in all the numbers. The second method we said you write equal sign first, then sum, then open brackets, then select the first number that you want to add, then the colon, then select the last number that you want to add, then close the brackets. And we also have method number 4. That is if you are adding numbers that are not adjacent to each other. For example, you want to add the 80 and the 54 without adding 75. You select the 80 first, then you press the comma button like this, then you select the 54, then you close brackets like this. So this method, this using the comma method, you should use it when you are selecting numbers that are not side by side like this. So we say there's this method, then there's this method, then there's this method, then there's this method. And now for subtraction. To subtract, you use the minus sign on your keyboard. And we said for writing a formula, the first thing that you do is you press the equal sign. And then you move your mouse cursor like this. Then you select the first number, the number that you want to write. Then you press minus on your keyboard. Then you select the number that you want to subtract and press enter like this. You equal sign first number minus, then press enter like this. Equal sign first number minus, then press enter like this. So you can subtract as many numbers as you want. You can subtract these three numbers, this minus this, should add up to 0. It is 0. So this is how you subtract. Or you can subtract by typing equals 110 minus 75, enter like this. So that is how you subtract. And formulas that you would have written using the selection technique, you can drag them down, like this. You press the first cell, and then you drag the formula down like this, and the formula will be like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Free Tutorials ZW for more video tutorials.